Right. So let's talk about the cell cycle. Okay. So the cell cycle is a regular sequence of events which takes place between successive cell divisions. Okay. And it has three phases. Okay na? So you have the interphase, you have mitosis, and then you have cytokinesis. Okay. अब इसके ना different checkpoints होते हैं. ठीक है. So if we start from, let's say, the G1 phase, ठीक है, you have your cellular contents excluding the chromosomes which are being duplicated. अब cellular contents में आपके different organelles like आपके mitochondria और आपके क्या कहते हैं chloroplast if you're a plant cell, ठीक है ना, वो duplicate हो रहे होते हैं, ठीक है, except the chromosomes. Then you have the S phase where each of the 46 chromosomes are duplicated by the cell, ठीक है, तो अब यहाँ पे आपके chromosomes duplicate हो रहे हैं. And then your G2 phase is where the cell double checks the duplicated chromosomes for any errors. ठीक है, तो अगर आपकी जीन गलत एक डुप्लीकेट हुई है या उसमें कोई बेस पेयर का एरर आ गया तो वो फिक्स होता है. और जब ये सब कुछ हो जाता है तो फिर आपका सेल डिवाइड किया जाता है. तो अब यहाँ पे सेल नंबर 1, यहाँ पे सेल नंबर 2, सो 2 cells have been produced. और cytokinesis is a process we'll look at it down the line, जहाँ पे your cell is basically actually separating, that is called cytokinesis. ठीक है ना, and that is basically your entire cell cycle. Right, so let's talk about interphase, which is the period between cell division and the next nuclear division. Nuclear division का मतलब होता है आपके क्रोमेटिन, जब आपके क्रोमोसोम्स डिवाइड होते हैं, ठीक है ना, डुप्लीकेट होके डिवाइड होते हैं. And it is a phase during which cell prepares itself for the next cell division, and we just went over that. So you have the G1 phase, the S phase, and the G2 phase. And we discussed that the cells grow in size and cellular contents are duplicated in the G1 phase. Stuff like proteins, RNA, and enzymes are produced, which are needed for the cell to grow in size. Then you have the S phase, जहाँ पे आपके chromosomes duplicate होते हैं और आपका DNA replicate होता है. And then in your G2 phase, you prepare for mitosis. ठीक है ना, जहाँ पे आपके enzymes for cell divisions are being synthesized. And your centrioles are replicating because ये वो machinery होती है जिसके through आपका cell actually separate होता है. And then your tubulin protein production increases, which is responsible for the production of microtubules. Microtubules के बगैर mitotic spindle नहीं बन सकता और mitotic spindle के बगैर आपके cells अलग नहीं हो सकते. And then you have mitosis, which is your nuclear division. So यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक mitosis तक आपका interphase या I phase है, ठीक है. And then you have cytokinesis, which is cell division.